Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about the correct position for some adverbs. For example, always. What is correct? Always I play soccer? I always play soccer? Or I play soccer always? Which is correct? Watch this video and find out. We're going to practice with some special adverbs. Always, rarely, never, ever, even, hardly ever, barely, just, already, and also. They're special because the position is important. You cannot put them at the start. You cannot put them at the end. You have to put them in the middle. And not only in the middle, but before the verb. Let's practice. Do you always drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I always drink coffee in the morning.
Do you always drink coffee in the morning? Does she always drink coffee in the morning? Very good. Do you drink milk in the morning?
No, I never drink milk in the morning.
Do you drink milk in the morning? Does she drink milk in the morning? Very good. Do you ever eat lunch at a restaurant?
I rarely eat lunch at a restaurant.
Do you ever eat lunch at a restaurant? Does she ever eat lunch at a restaurant? Very good. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you also like tea?
Yes, I also like tea.
Do you like coffee? Do you also like tea? Does she like coffee? Does she also like tea? Very good. Rarely, hardly ever, and almost never are the same. Hardly ever is the most common in American English. I recommend using hardly ever. I hardly ever talk on the phone. How much do you talk on the phone?
I hardly ever talk on the phone.
How much do you talk on the phone? How much does she talk on the phone? Very good. Remember, we use just to talk about a short time in the past, a short time ago. Not a long time ago, a short time. And we use it with past. So, leave in the past, left. He just left the office. 5 minutes ago, maybe. He just left the office. When did he leave the office?
He just left the office.
When did he leave the office? Very good. Did you go shopping yesterday?
Yes, I went shopping yesterday and I also cleaned the house.
Did you go shopping yesterday? Did you also clean the house? Did she go shopping yesterday? Did she also clean the house? Very good. We use even similar to also or to, but it's with emphasis. It's stronger. Example, he speaks English, he speaks German, he speaks Spanish. He even speaks Italian. How many languages does he speak?
He speaks many languages. He speaks Russian, Spanish, French, and German. He even speaks Italian.
How many languages does he speak? Does he speak Italian? Very good. When we use the structure have been, example, I have been to Italy. If you want never, you have to put it before the verb. Where is the verb? Been is the verb. Before the verb, never been. So it's between the auxiliary have and the verb been. I have never been to Italy. Have you ever been to Italy?
No, I've never been to Italy.
Have you ever been to Italy? Has she ever been to Italy? Very good. Example, already. I have already cleaned the house. It's in the past, already. If you look in an English grammar book, it'll say you need to use have. I have, or contraction, I've. I've already cleaned the house. It's correct, but you will hear Americans talk and they won't use have. They'll say, I already did it. I already cleaned the house. So you can use both. In American English, both are acceptable. Have you already cleaned the house?
Yeah, I've already cleaned the house.
Have you already cleaned the house? Has she already cleaned the house? Very good. If you use a negative, like I don't, you don't, or he doesn't, be careful the position of always. It needs to be in the middle, between your auxiliary and your verb. He doesn't always drink coffee in the morning. Does he always drink coffee in the morning?
No, he doesn't always drink coffee in the morning.
Does he always drink coffee in the morning? Very good. Example with negative doesn't. He doesn't even. He doesn't drink tea. He doesn't drink milk. He doesn't even drink coffee in the morning. He doesn't drink anything. So remember, doesn't even. Even is before the verb. Does he drink juice?
No, he doesn't.
Does he drink tea in the morning?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't even drink coffee in the morning.
Does he drink juice? Does he drink tea in the morning? Does he drink coffee? Very good. Also, with these special adverbs, if you have the verb to be, am, is, are, was, or were, it's after the verb to be. Any form you use, these adverbs are all after am, is, are, was, or were. Example, she is always happy. Always goes here, only here. Is she always happy?
Yes, she's always happy.
Is she always happy? Very good. Is she ever angry?
No, she's never angry.
Is she ever angry? Very good. With this example, we see two verbs. You have the verb to be, are, and you have a continuous verb, fighting. Always needs to go in the middle, right after the verb to be. They are always fighting. Are they always fighting?
Yeah, they're always fighting.
Are they always fighting? Very good. So remember these special adverbs. Always, rarely, never, ever. Even, be careful with pronunciation. Ever and even. Hardly ever, barely, just, already and also. Very important, the position. Put them directly right before your verb. But remember, the verb to be, am, is, are, was, and were. The adverb is right after the verb.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to avoid mistakes and get more practice speaking, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.